Yeah.
Why are you smiling, dog?
It's not that time to reveal the monster, homie. Time to take it to the shop.
Damn, boy. I don't know, bro, if yours is lower than mine.
Ready?
Ready, dog.
Telling you, man, mine's lower than yours. Put you
I don't
in the
know.
mix.
I don't know if the microphone is working. Hopefully it is.
It's been sitting here.
Damn, boy, been sleeping for a while.
Put me in the mix. Put me in the mix.
Yeah, it looks good. I think mine is a little bit taller than my brother's. Oh shit. Yeah, boy. About to go to the shop. We about to see who's is lower right now. My brother's on springs and I just put coilovers on mine. So we about to see. Side by side look. I don't know, bro. Use two fingers easy on the back. And like one finger on the front. You can't do two fingers. Let's see. Oh, you could do two fingers on mine on the front, bruh. And barely two fingers on the back of mine. Your back is higher. What?
You can't fit two fingers on yours.
Atrás no. You can on yours. But the front is lower on yours. A little bit. Woo!
Se parece porque no son una carrera. Se parece, ¿verdad?
Se parece que hacer una carrera.
You can see what?
It's slow.
Oh yeah. This is mira poquito.
You see that?
Yeah.
¿Tú vas ahí?
What's up, guys? I wanted to get on here and say something about my brother's car and what we were doing. We actually got some footage of when we went to go get my brother's car, which my brother's car is the blue one, the blue Infiniti G35 2006 manual transmission, and we got it in Ohio. I have some clips of when we were there looking at the car. I'll probably put them up, and I have a couple pictures. It has a blown, or not a blown motor, but it has like a rod knocking noise or sound or problem. So in the video that you guys were watching earlier, we were just excited and we wanted to like document the process, and this is our first time ever talking in a camera, and we're a little shy and not saying much. So I mean, we will get used to it as we do more videos, I feel like. So if you guys just like, you know, give us some leeway, and we'll we'll get better. We'll do better. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and say that the blue car, we're taking it to the shop to get it fixed, and we'll have more content coming on the way. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hopefully you guys like it. There'll be a lot more coming on the way, so stay tuned. Subscribe for the next video. We'll see you guys soon. Peace out.